1 2 3 ਸਟਾਰਟ।
ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ।
ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ।
ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਆਪਣਾ ਪਵ ਜੰਡੂ।
ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਆਪਦਾ ਹੈ ਨਹੀਂ, ਮੈਂ ਕਰ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਜੀ।
ਮੈਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਹੀ ਹਾਂ, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਆ ਜਾਓ। ਤੇ today we gonna make the vlog in English, speaking English part 3. The other man which I have made 2 parts, he's gone to Nova Scotia, so that's why we got another guy. So that's why we are making part 3. That's
Trying something new.
yeah, trying something new. So
चलो जी।
let's go home. Today we got free early little bit, so that's why we thought
Because of
that
some kind of golmaal.
yeah.
That's why.
So we thought let's make a vlog, it would be better. How are you, bro?
Good man. And you?
How's your experience with English in Canada? You speak really good. I heard that from someone else.
No comments, bro.
You know, I met one lady today at my workplace and she was litting on me.
What are you saying, man? Huh? Nonsense creature.
Okay, I'll give you one line in
Okay.
Punjabi and you have to convert into the English, okay?
Into the English or French?
In English.
Okay, I will
Okay.
try my.
You will try your best. Okay. I will give you, okay? Let's go. First line.
First line. First line.
Pawan ਭਰਾ ਤੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਘੈਂਟ।
Oh my god. I have no words for this line. No words.
No, you have to complete the game. You have to play.
The worst worst guy in the world I ever met is beside me.
Yeah.
Side ਤੇ ਬੈਠਾ ਹੀ ਦੇਖ ਲਓ ਆਪਣੀ।
Okay, now it's your turn. Give me one Punjabi line, I will convert it into the English.
ਜਸ਼ਨ
बहुत मासूम है।
Jason is very clever.
innocence stupid innocence.
Innocent.
Innocence.
You know, pss, pss.
Okay, that one. Better fragrance, man.
You know, matlab,
Got it,
the
bro,
one
got
powder which into the water and pss. Go inside us and us.
कुछ भी है, anything.
So my hair got
See the clouds, man. See.
See the clouds from here via gun. The gun is running very fast.
The gun is over.
The gun is working. Gun ਚੱਲ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ.
The gun is ਉੱਤੇ my head.
ਯਾਰ ਦੇਖੀ, the gun is working. gun ਚੱਲ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ. ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ what you do? ਕਹਿੰਦਾ I'm good.
Oh my god, ਕਦੋਂ ਤੇ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਨੇ
ਕਹਿੰਦਾ I'm good.
I'm good.
Do you see that yellow taxi? You know, we have yellow taxis in India, but here taxis have no color.
No color.
It could be any. Like, you can also drive a taxi.
Yeah, see this one.
Like this one. E550.
Like in the previous
Like in my
video,
car?
Yeah.
The security is going
Yeah,
there.
security is
ਸਾੜੀ ਮੂੰਹ ਤੇ ਆਦਾ ਪਿਆ। You know what? We did not record anything and
and we are start.
we were talking shit all the time. Oh my god, that was the best jokes I have ever spoke from this beautiful mouth.
Spoke नहीं do. सारे किताब पर
जोक बोले या.
बोले
Okay, I will tell you one more thing. You know what? Carrots, gajars.
See,
You know, carrots.
listen carefully.
Yeah, carrots are orange.
Yeah.
Everybody knows, but oranges are not carrots. How is this possible, man? Right? So we have to be very careful while speaking English because it has double meaning in every line.
Every line.
Every line.
In the every meaning too.
Yeah. What do you think about the girls? Every girl. What do you
Every
think? That what is the role of a girl in man's life?
Can we skip this question?
Okay,
Okay.
let's talk. You can ask me that what type of girls I like.
चल बोल फिर. Let's start.
I like innocent girls.
Oh my god.
No.
I don't like innocent girls. From
I like yeah. No. I like very tej girls, very super fast girls. I mean, I like
Super
clever
fast
girls.
in everything.
Yeah.
Everything toasted with a bagel.
Canadian people know that. I like clever girls who
And
know
one is my-
everything. You know everything about everything. Like I can ask her if I don't know anything. I can take suggestion from her.
From her.
From her, not from her, not and from anyone.
Yeah.
Yeah, from girl.
From
She's a boy.
nonsense creature.
Are you number 6?
You are my friend. You are my brother, right?
Yeah,
We
yeah.
are same. Like, same
No.
thing. Yeah, same thing.
That means you are not.
Blood relation. Yeah.
That means
now
he's
he's
not.
right. Now he's right.
He's the best,
Yeah.
like me. Why you wear this belt while driving a car? What is the importance of this belt? Tell us.
Everyone who drives know better than me, right?
Why? Otherwise, we got like
Because,
this.
Like, for example, like someone, a nonsense creature like you come against the car and then sometimes it's
Yeah, I got it.
got it.
I think everybody you got it, right?
Got it right.
Talk to my head.
Shut up.
Let's play again. I will tell you one line. You have to convert it into English. घोड़ा बहुत तेज दौड़ता है.
Horse is running very fast. As fast as
As
Jazz.
much. Yes.
You know them Jazz? That guy, that
चलो, एक
good
और
guy.
लाइन. एक और लाइन. मैं ਉਹਦੇ ਗੋਲੀ ਮਾਰੀ ਤੇ ਮਰਿਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋ.
बस कर सीधे से हो गया हम.
ਨਹੀਂ ਦੱਸ.
ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਸੀ ਦੁਬਾਰਾ ਬੋਲੀ?
ਮੈਂ
Can you please speak
ਮੈਂ
again?
ਉਸ ਦੇ ਗੋਲੀ ਮਾਰੀ ਪਰ ਉਹ ਮਰਿਆ ਨਹੀਂ.
When I shoot him,
He did not die.
that's it, bro. That's it. You
He
know.
he was
you
not
know,
dead.
You know. Then why are you asking fucking questions?
Okay, one small line. पवन गंजा है.
Pavan is bald head.
Yeah, he knows. I thought he didn't knew. He didn't knew. What is that? Okay, I think it's enough for today. Because
Not enough.
not enough. Okay, let's do something else. I mean, speak something else.
Yeah, speak something else. See,
Hey.
you want to see something? Just a second, man. I will
Oh my God.
run my car. Not my car. It's someone else's car.
Wow,
You wanna
man.
See.
So sexy.
See, our car is more faster than these two. These cars.
Luigi
See.
cars.
See.
Look.
Hey, guy.
Ah.
Yeah. Nice car, man.
Nice car, bro.
Michael Jackson.
Now you saw that blue car. Now let's see this blue car.
See the beauty.
She drove back. She saw me recording the video.
Oh my God.
No problem. You see the banner over there? Soon it will be ours. We will be there on the banner.
Show them. Show them.
You know, on the billboards. Oh, it is not visible. Visible. You know, I saw so
I
many
know.
gurudwaras in Brampton.
Okay.
I never knew that when I was in India that Canada has also so many gurudwaras.
Plus
But it is a
Hindu temples plus
Yeah.
Muslim temples too.
Muslim temples. You mean to say that masjid?
Dargah वगैरह masjid
Yeah.
वगैरह.
Yeah, there are so many places to worship. You know,
Yeah.
amazing. It is almost like India, but a lot better version. Right?
Yeah. Better. Yeah.
Because we-
Same thing because
if you got-
temples are all like.
Yeah.
It's all about the God,
in
right?
almost if you are living in Brampton, Malton or Mississauga, you can see Punjabis in every shop, every store, every workplace. Everywhere.
In my pocket too.
Yeah. Pocket or anywhere else.
That's it, bro.
You can go to his
Not
house.
go far away.
There are so many Punjabi boys, girls.
Where?
Your house.
Everything.
Everything Punjabi. Khich ke.
Everything.
You know Katappa TV? He's a great guy, man. I like his videos so much. Shout out to him. Actually, he should give shout out to us. Oh my God. Today is a good day. You know,
Good day.
sun came out.
Good day plus or ਕੀ ਖਾਣਾ?
Parle ji.
Plus parle ji.
Good day. You know, we call good day has two meanings. Good day
Plus
and good day. Good day means dolls. Good day. Are you good?
Good day. I'm good too, man. See.
I'm a good guy. Good guy. I'm a good guy.
I think we both are Buddha.
I'm a good guy. You are Buddha.
White hairs, man.
White, no, grey hair.
Brown,
bro.
yeah, grey.
Grey,
with
grey.
hairs.
He got a lot. You can see.
See.
And I don't get any. I don't have any grey hair right now. If you can see me without any effect, you will be see. There are a lot of grey hair. You can see a minor black hair.
Oh my god.
Oh my God, I'm just kidding. I'm super natural power.
In this flow, you get all the shit. Like from
Yeah.
everywhere. From every single toilet. You got every
You
kind
get a
of...
combination of shits in one place.
No,
That is called
yeah,
Jazz Vlogs.
Pub vlogs.
You want to increase your followers? Then tell
Guys,
them.
I am... हाँ चल.
Okay, let's get a milestone. Okay,
Milestone.
if Jazz hits 1,000 followers in 48 hours,
In 48 hours.
48 hours, we will give you the biggest vlog and best edited our favorite vlog ever in 3 days.
And I am also thinking to make the vlogs. But
Okay,
if...
that's a huge announcement.
Yeah, see, if I got किन्ने सीखा vlog करेगा. I got maximum followers on my Instagram.
Okay, let's hit 1,500. Whenever he hits 1,500, he will make his new vlogging channel
Sure.
for sure. Okay. It doesn't matter he posts videos or not, but he will make his channel.
Yeah,
Okay.
the main thing.
Yeah.
Listen carefully.
Okay. 1,000 followers and 8,000 followers for me. Okay. Two milestones.
पिंड बजानी मांगते आगे.
नहीं देख.
The village
miles-
is not
two-
set up yet and the beggars come. Beggars came. And the beggars came, man.
There are
See,
2 milestones for you guys. 3. 2 for him, 1 for me. 1,000 followers, 8,000 followers. Both have 300 left. Okay. You guys have to follow us on Instagram, which you are looking at.
on your
the bottom,
screens.
yeah.
On your screens.
Okay. Just 300 each left, and we will hit our benchmark, and we will release our best video ever. Okay. You guys will love it. I know.
The
that.
best videos according to us.
Yeah. But I think that maximum
You
people
guys,
will
yeah,
love it.
love
Love it. Okay? Thank
Anything
you.
else?
Thank you.
Anything else?
Thank you.
You want to see the view right now? You can see. Show them.
Look.
Bro,
this is
there-
Canada.
That
This
side,
is
bro,
Canada.
That side.
This is Canada also. This is car.
See the
These are cars.
lockdown. This is a dot. See the dirty things. This is a mitti uddi hui.
Anything else? Okay. So guys, if you are wondering that how we got the 7 bands and how we came to Canada with this type of English, and we want to let you know that we
Yeah.
are just making this vlog for the fun.
Entertainment, yeah, for the entertainment.
For entertainment purpose.
Not more
Otherwise,
than that.
we got 7 bands and we did not cheat anything. We
We
got
are just
our own.
doing the fun here right now.
Okay, so don't shock our Angreji. We will speak anything, anywhere. If you want to challenge us, ask any type of vlogger. Ask him to do the challenge. We will reply him back as soon
In
as
our
possible.
own language.
Yeah.
In our own
Okay.
language.
You want to see Mustang?
You want to see horse, female horse? See.
Okay. Thank you guys. I hope you guys loved this vlog. Loved this.
One more
Loved
thing,
it,
please
loved
don't use gala.
it.
For the respect.
For the
See,
respect.
देख.
Okay.
Just comment.
Comment
good
anything.
comments, that's it.
Okay.
Anything but not the shit
Everything.
talks. Yeah, man.
Anything but not everything.
Everything.
Okay, thank you guys. Sat Sri Akal ji.